In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change page size a 3 in Excel. This is a quick setting to adjust, and it is useful when you need more space on the page for large tables, wide spreadsheets, charts, or content that will be printed on a bigger paper size. If your worksheet looks too compressed on a smaller page, changing the paper size to A3 can help your layout fit more comfortably. Start by looking at the top of your Excel window. In the main menu bar, click the Page Layout tab. This section contains the tools related to printing, margins, orientation, scaling, and paper size. Once you open this tab, you will be able to access the setting you need. Next, find the Page Setup group in the ribbon. Inside that section, click the Size button. This will open a drop-down list of available paper sizes that Excel supports for your current printer and document settings. Take your time here because the list can include several different formats. After the menu opens, scroll down through the list until you see A3. When you find it, click on A3 to select it. In Excel, A3 paper size is 29.7 centimeters by 42.0 centimeters, or 11.69 inches by 16.54 inches. As soon as you click it, Excel will apply that page size to the worksheet. If you are preparing the sheet for printing, it is a good idea to quickly review the layout after making the change. A larger page size can affect how content is spaced on the sheet, especially if you are also using margins, scaling, or landscape orientation. The main part of the process, though, is simply choosing the new size from the page layout options. So to recap, you click the Page Layout tab, select Size in the Page Setup group, then scroll down and choose A3 from the list. That is the full process, and it only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. That covers everything you need to know.